Go Air, an Indian low-cost airline based in Mumbai, fired one of its senior pilots, an Indian Air Force veteran Mickey Malik. Why? Because he tweeted against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Here's what he said, as you can see on your screen, on 7th of January. A Twitter user claimed that he had reported the captain's tweet to Go Air, following which the action was taken. Malik later tweeted and apologized and even logged his Twitter account. Now, this could have been the end of story, but even after the apology, the pilot was terminated. Go Air has zero tolerance policy, and it is mandatory for all Go Air employees to comply with the company's employment rules and regulations and policies, including social media behavior. Go Air has terminated the service of the captain with immediate effect. The airline also made it clear that they don't associate themselves with employees' personal opinion after the news started doing the rounds. If that's the case, then why did a senior pilot lose his job? Wasn't he just expressing his opinion? A question that many people asked on Twitter. Right after the news broke out, Twitter was flooded with remarks, both in favor of and in opposition to Go Air's decision. Some people lashed out at Go Air for sacking the employee for having an opinion. Some even mocked the airline's action, as the captain did not mention which PM he was talking about. Some even criticized the reporting of his tweet and Go Air for bowing down to pressure. And then came #BoycottGoAir. Many, including some former armed forces veterans, came in support of the pilot, and since then #BoycottGoAir has been trending on Twitter. Some Twitterati also supported Go Air's decision and said that the remarks made by the pilot were disrespectful, and also criticized #PMTrend and said it's wrong to call a sitting Prime Minister an idiot. Now, this isn't the first time Go Air has fired an employee for posting on social media. A trainee pilot of Go Air was fired by airline after he allegedly posted an objectionable tweet about Sita and Hinduism last year in the month of June. Several users tagged Go Air official Twitter account in the posts and demanded action to be taken against the said person. In response to the backlash, the official handle of Go Air tweeted that they are inquiring if the said person is their employee or not. After a few hours, the airline issued a statement announcing the immediate termination of employment contract for a trainee pilot named Asif Khan. However, the fired pilot claimed he was wrongfully terminated since the offensive tweet was posted by another person with the same name. Go Air then revoked his termination order, and the pilot now stands suspended, subject to cyber cell investigation. Malik's incident, however, has raised some really important questions. First, is calling someone an idiot really an abuse? Idiot, as per the dictionary, means a foolish or stupid person. So calling someone an idiot can be a wrong choice. But does it amount to an offense worth firing someone from their job? Having an opinion and expression is a fundamental right in India. The Constitution of India provides the right of freedom of speech and expression, given in Article 19 of Constitution. And remember, pilot Mickey Malik was not on duty when he tweeted his remarks. Neither did he use the company's account for the same. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay logical.